Do you see this?
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you the.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is SandraZarina. If you're new here, welcome. If you're part of the family, welcome back. And today we're gonna be doing an unboxing video. I'm gonna rip my address off. So I'm just gonna rip that off and boom, we can go straight into the unboxing video. So I got the Converse and I got this package from Goat. I've already ordered 2 sneakers off of Goat, so I know I can trust them when it comes to getting sneakers, because all the sneakers that I've been getting have been like what I want and kind of authentic. So yeah, everything I'm getting is just like not doing the job properly, but I'm just gonna keep unboxing. I'm really excited. And it comes in the Converse box. Okay, I'm just gonna go straight into this video. I'm so excited, y'all. One, there's gonna be a big reveal. 1, 2. It's more. Do you see this? Oh my god. First of all, let's go into the details, because it's my first time ever like owning a Converse. This is my first time ever. So these like details are really pretty in person. I haven't seen any kind of like the Converse chunks in person, and this is literally what I wanted. Before we go into the testing, I just want to take a minute to just admire the sneakers. So first of all, I got this in an 8. I got this in a size 8 because everybody was saying that if you size up, you're gonna regret it, because this is a little bigger, so you don't need to size up. So I did not size up, and I just went with the regular size I wear for sneakers. So this is just how it is. And I got like the platforms, because you know I'm a little short, so every shoe that I get, I like to have a little bit of platform to give me a little bit of height, you know. So we're gonna try it on and see how it fits.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed.
I'm just gonna take the sneakers out and so first of all, these shoes fit so comfortably. These are so comfortable. Like usually when I get a new pair of sneakers, it takes some time for my feet to get used to, but these are so soft in it. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like it has a little cushion in it, so it makes your feet like comfortable, and your feet is able to breathe perfectly. And these are so perfect. Like, this is everything I wanted, and I'm so glad. It's just like, you know, it's given. And the price, this is just $87. Like, this right here, it's just $87, and it's given. Like, it's given what it's supposed to give. I don't know if you guys understand, but I'm so excited. I'm just gonna conclude this video. So let's ignore the sun. The sun is really weird, I don't know, but we're just gonna ignore the sun. So if you like this video, do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and then comment down below your favorite part of this video. comment down below if you intend to get these sneakers. Hope you guys have a nice day. Bye.